Change is a necessity to progress in life. With ambition and a clear goal in mind, the executives at the Pune facility left no stone unturned and went all out to make necessary amends and inclusions to create a new healthy work culture of responsibility and safety. Teamwork, determination and motivation to build a better tomorrow led to the gradual upgradation and transformation of the Essar Steel Pune facility.
This facility we took over in 2009 from Shree Precoated Steel. This facility has a capacity of production to a level of 0.6 million ton. This is with respect to the pickling capacity, which was at 0.6 million ton. When we took over, the capacity was running little less than 50% of the capacity utilization, and there were issues with respect to the inventory levels. There was no safety culture all across the plant. So over a period of time, say today, if I look at it from say 2009 to 2013 today, as we are on June 2013, there is a drastic change on the cultural of the people all across. The mindset has changed. They have started thinking in the direction of that what kind of contribution they give to the business. The kind of the goal settings, they themselves have started realizing it, and they themselves are putting into the place that this is my business goal, this is my organization goal, which everyone has to strive, which was the lagging at that point of time. If I give you one example on safety, say the safety at that point of time, we have when we took over in 2009, the accidents, if I talk about first aid cases only, it was near about 193 cases of the year, and as of today it is hardly 10 of the entire year. So that's a change which has come up. People have started realizing it, that what is all safety all about, how it does make a life easy, work environment easy for them. If the housekeeping and the safety is in place, automatically the productivity will improve, productivity will come up.
As months rolled by, technical improvisions were implemented, thus bringing about a steady reformation. Essar Steel introduced new products like HR Gal, wood finish, abrasion resistant and wrinkle finish products which cater to different customer segments and markets. Aiming for operational excellence and process improvements, new projects were initiated like revamping of CCL2, pickling modification and upgradation of the effluent treatment plant. Essar Steel Pune facility has progressed both technologically and environmentally by installing a multi-effective evaporator that has resulted in zero discharge of treated water, thus saving 50 cubic meters per day of this precious resource. All aspects of production, mechanical processes, health, safety and environment, and quality assurance underwent a transition.
We improved the color coating production from the existing 18,000 tons per month to almost 22 to 24,000 tons per month. Color coating is a market which has, aesthetic importance is very much required for color coated sheets, because it is being used for building materials and all these things. So a lot of efforts have been made in terms of providing a good roles for the coated products, and also introducing some very strict quality measures in the line to improve the quality.
Essar Steel Pune facility bagged the Deccan Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agricultural Award for the Best Safety Practices 2012, Gold Safety Award 2012 from Green Tech Foundation for Excellent Performance in Safety Management, Silver Award from the Green Tech Foundation for Outstanding Achievement in Environment Management.